Okay, well, we have control now. Let's do a new game. Looks like it's working now. Hungry for cake, yeah. Really want to eat some cake. L to move, R to look around. Okay, cool. Can we use... Oh yeah, we can.
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Computer-Aided Enrichment Center.
Ooh.
We hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant one. Your specimen has been processed, and we are now ready to begin the test proper. Before we start, however, keep in mind that although fun and learning are the primary goals of all Enrichment Center activities, serious injuries may occur. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from Stand back. The portal will open in 3, 2, 1.
All right. This is cool. This is very Portal. Aperture Science. I really want to eat your cake. Because your cake is delicious and moist, and I'm hungry for cake. That was not the greatest, but... Oh.
Excellent. Please proceed into the chamber lock after completing each test. First, however, note the incandescent particle field across the exit. This Aperture Science material emancipation grill will vaporize any unauthorized equipment that passes through it. For instance, the Aperture Science weighted storage cube.
Alright, so we can crouch, we can hop, B is to pick things up, move back and forth and look around. Touchpad is really cool. It feels very much like the touchpad on the Steam controller. Very much like it. The clicks on it, if you've touched a Steam controller, you know what I'm talking about. It's almost like, I guess it's like a haptic feedback thing. There are little micro vibrations as you move across it, and it gives you a sense of how far your thumb has traveled on the pad. It doesn't feel as, I don't know, sharp or as harsh as the Steam controller does. It feels a little softer, a little bit more muted, I guess. But apparently there are capacitive sensors in each of these controllers, in each of these analog sticks, which is really cool. You have to be careful when taking this apart because there is a wire that runs up underneath of this so that the Steam Deck knows that your thumbs are on the sticks. So that's pretty cool. This one doesn't do anything. D-pad doesn't do anything.
Please place the weighted storage cube on the 1500 megawatt Aperture Science Heavy Duty Super Colliding Super button. Perfect. Please move quickly to the chamber lock, as the effects of prolonged exposure to the button are not part of this test. erosible taste of blood is not part of any test protocol, but is an unintended side effect of the aperture science material emancipation drill, which may, in semi-rare cases, emancipate dental fillings, crowns, tooth enamel, and teeth